The circuit, time constant RC equal to 1 millisecond. The input voltage is Vi of t equal to root 2 sine 10 cube t. The output voltage V naught of t is equal to. Okay. The given circuit, what is V naught of t? V naught of t is equal to Vi of t into this impedance, that is 1 by j omega c, divided by total impedance, that is R plus 1 by j omega c. This is equal to Vi of t divided by 1 plus j omega r c. Okay. Now in the given figure, Vi of t is equal to root 2 sine 10 cube t. Root 2 sine 10 cube t. That is equal to, converting into polar form, this is root 2 angle 0. Now what is omega? Omega is 10 cube t. Omega is 10 cube. Okay, now RC is also given as 1 millisecond, that is 10 raised to minus 3 second. Now this is equal to Vi of t is root 2 angle 0 plus 1 by j omega is 10 cube, RC is 10 raised to minus 3. This is equal to root 2 angle 0 by 1 plus j. That is root 2 angle 0 divided by 1 plus j is root 2 angle 45 degrees. Now it is equal to 1 angle minus 45 degree. Now we can write V naught of t as sine 1 into sine 10 cube t, that is sine 10 cube t, minus this 45 degrees, minus 45 degrees. This is the final answer.